Hello everyone, my name is Satyam and in this video we are going to see something special and new, my Infosys joining kit. So let's dive into the video and see what's inside that. So let's get started. So actually I received two joining kit. When the first day of joining I received the laptop and along with the mouse and the charger. So that was the first joining kit. After a month, I received a small and this is a beautiful joining kit from the Infosys after a month. So let's open it. So what's inside it? So this is a beautiful design. So let's open it. So focus here. So as you open it, the first thing is that welcome on board. So on onboarding process, that is the welcome letter. As you can see, it's a beautiful paper. First thing is that. So I keep it here. After that, one small cube is there, where Infosys logo and brand name is there, and some slogan of Infosys is there. So yeah, you can keep it on your table. I don't know what is the more use of this, but it looks pretty. This is the Infosys review cube. I'll keep it aside. After that, this is one, you can say the paper pad. You can keep paper in this pad over the papers. It will look nice. Yeah. After that, I have one water bottle. Yeah. So this is one beautiful water bottle inside that joining kit. So that will keep you hydrated. As you can see, yeah, designing nice, blue color. I keep it aside. And after that, I have one diary. You can write down the things during your office meetings and your summary and whatever you want, you can write it. It's a beautiful, small diary. Along with that, they're giving me that Infosys specs. Infosys branded fan. It's fine. So these are the things. Along with, yeah, we have given one document in Reddit measure. Yeah, that's all is there. And this is the laptop I received earlier. So that's all from the joining kit. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you. We'll meet again.